Hello everyone, so I will show and demonstrate how to use terminal based music player called cmus. I'm actually planning to do another video about how to control your music player in your computer with your Android smartphone over the wireless internet, Wi-Fi. So let's install cmus first. In Arch Linux you can install it like this, or if you have Debian or Ubuntu or Linux Mint or something, I think it was apt-get installed cmus. You should find this in your software stores or something. So anyway, let's launch it. Okay, very minimalistic. How does it work? Here's all my music. So you have to add your music. So to add music, like music files, MP3 or something, you write like this character. If you ever used Vim text editor, you should familiar with that, because this is like Vim equivalent to music player or something. So you press this character, I think it's called semicolon, but I'm gonna call double dot together to make sure. And after double dot together, you write add, and I put some music in here. I'm gonna add something too. Okay, so like in Vim, you scroll with H, J, K, L. J, K, L goes down, J down, K up. Also, good old arrow buttons. Top arrow and down arrow should work too. So I'm just gonna record myself for this video, so I own the copyright. Anyway, so plus louder, minus volume down, H skips backward, L forward, just like arrows too. And if you press X, starts over, C stops, it pauses, C again, continues, and if you press Z, it's previous song, B is forward song. So let's pause it. Also, if you want to, let's say, go from, like for example, you want AC/DC back in black, you can't use your mouse, therefore you go there with pressing tab, and then you go back. Anyway, let's scroll from button 1 to button 7. In button 1 we have this. Button 2, when we press, we have some kind of library. Button 3, playlists, our playlists. 4, play query. 5, we have browser, file manager. Button 6, filter, though I never used it. Button 7, settings and key bindings. You can see all the key bindings here, but what I want to do is, for example, we can with these buttons we can change the volume one by one in the left and right, I believe. Interesting. Anyway, let's write slash for searching and write tab. We've found tab. Enter again and change this tab to numpad 0. Enter again. Go to first button 1 and there we can go between track menu and artist menu without reaching to tab button. It's more practical, I believe. So, and if we want to save this as a playlist, we write save and then the location, my playlist .pls. Let's clear it and let's load our playlist this time. So no video and my playlist. Boom, here we have. Also we can change how does this thing look, like changing color scheme. If you press tab over and over, it scrolls and shift tab goes back. I believe night was not bad. There we go. It's not bad. And quit is like Vim. Q does work. Also quit also works. So this thing, what does it? Adds music to play very fast. For example, I have lots. I have a big heavy music archive, and these things adds up very quickly. I recommend that in that way. I also think, I don't believe like iTunes kind of managers, like I think if you're feeling old school, if you saying let me try something else, and if you have all your music in one place or something, I recommend this. Okay, thank you for listening.